Hi, my dear pharmacy friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Pharma Job. My dear friends, Biocon, this company is currently hiring for the fresh talent. So, start your career with Biocon is the headline. Coming to the roles and responsibilities, the roles are production machine operator, API or bulk drug, that is assistant, maintenance, pharma, biologics, and medical device facility, and for production department, capsule filling, coating, compression, granulation, packaging, tablets and capsules. The qualification is diploma or BE mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, chemical engineering or BSc chemistry, as well as MSc chemistry candidates. My dear friends, these are freshers exclusive vacancy from 2020 to 2023 batches. Date of this interview is Sunday 26th November 9 a.m. to 12 noon at venue Rural Degree College, Kanakapura, Karnataka, India. So for receiving job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. So through our channel, we are going to provide job opportunities for freshers and experienced in all pharma sectors. Thank you.